Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and today we're going to be talking about body odor, BO. The reason I'm discussing about this is because there are various ways to sort it out, and I feel like at this point in time, some people should not be experiencing body odor because there are so many solutions you can use or you can try. So we're going to be discussing some of the solutions that I've tried as well, for you to ease into your normal everyday life, because it can be problematic because you're feeling as if you're smelling and you're like trying to be okay. I don't want to offend anybody with my BO at this stage, at this time. It's an error. So let's just trash this topic once and for all. Okay, let's get into the video. I'm going to keep this video simple because at this point everybody knows what causes body odor. So usually everybody sweats and everybody has like this natural body scent. Usually our sweat is not supposed to smell, but there are bacteria that feed on this the proteins of this sweat. I'll put it that way. I'm not a doctor or anything, so I don't know the science of it, but we know that there's a bacteria that is causing the smell. Okay, so now you know, like maybe one day you just find out that your sweat or your underarm smells funny and you're like, what can I do, or what do I do? There are a lot of processes you can use. People have said do this, do that, do this a lot. So for me, I have the ones that I've tried and the ones that I'm yet to try, because this bacteria within is not something that you treat once and then it will go forever. It can come back at any time. Okay, so first things first, I would say if you are using regular toilet soap, please just get a cosmetic soap, a good shower gel that has all of this good cosmetic stuff for your face. Even if it has glycolic acid is really good for BO. If you have the ordinary one, you can use it to like use the cotton wool to clean your underarm. So glycolic acid is good. So you can get a good cosmetic soap that, because if you're using regular toilet soap doesn't act on this bacteria. But if you use a good cosmetic soap that has maybe licoric acid, all those hyaluronic and hyaluronic acid, they work against those smell. I noticed that when I use regular toilet soap, maybe like Dove or Irish Spring, my smell is pungent. But when I use good I use a cosmetic soap like my shower gel that I use, the Purest Blue, my sweat doesn't smell as, when I use normal soap. So definitely try and use a good cosmetic soap. There are a lot of good products out there based on your budget range. Change your soap, guys. The next thing you want to do is to exfoliate under your armpit. You can use any exfoliation, like the shower gel I use has an exfoliating grains in it, so I use my sponge to sponge that place very well, because you need to clean it properly. And even if you sponge so much, it doesn't still get rid of the bacteria 100%. So that's no problem, but definitely exfoliate under your arm. It's very important. Now we've sorted out your bathing soap, we've sorted out your exfoliation process. Like I said, sponge that place very well. You can use your exfoliating body scrub to exfoliate and then go in with your shower gel to still exfoliate. It's still fine. So now let's get to the main product, the things that we use. Everybody knows about baking soda. This is the one that I have, bicarbonate of soda. I just have this small one at home in case. When I was experiencing serious BO, I used this one here. So I'll leave the picture here, because this one, and once I just did that process once and the whole, like, it stopped. So if you're going to use bicarbonate of soda, use this brand. Okay, use this brand. This one is regular baking. I think it's not baking soda, because when I bought it they were like bicarbonate of soda is different from baking soda. It's the same family but it's different. So when you're done, you've changed your soap, you exfoliated your armpits in the shower, this is the last thing you use. You just take a little bit, your body is already wet, you take a little and just scrub under the armpits. This kills those, or it gets rid of those bacteria that cause BO. Okay, so you use that to exfoliate your underarm. You can do it for like 30 seconds each on each armpit for 1 minute, depends on your patience level. Just definitely scrub your underarm. So bicarbonate of soda is the only thing that I've used for BO that has worked. So other things that I've researched is glycolic acid. So you can get the ordinary one, use it to clean out. I've seen at least 3 YouTubers recommend this. I will definitely buy the ordinary and try it out, but I haven't gotten that yet. So if you have the ordinary glycolic acid, good for you. Use that as well to control your BO. Okay, another thing is benzoyl peroxide. This acts against bacteria. So if you have it in your soap or in your cleanser, you want to go ahead and use that cleanser to clean your underarm as well. So don't be worried about BO. It happens to everybody. We sweat. Even with your best hygiene, you still could smell bad because of the bacteria and all that. So don't worry yourself. You are not a different breed. We are all one. Okay, so definitely use all of this ingredients I've said to you. Okay, so use them and smell good. Okay, now I didn't talk about what's it called, deodorant, because I feel like at this point deodorant also causes, especially the ones with aluminum, they also cause this bacteria because they act as inhibitors of these bacteria and they try to repel sweat. So I use the Nivea one, so it works, but if you can get rid of it, because of the aluminum in it, it's not healthy for your underarm. At this point I think I would go for the Arms and Hammer deodorant. It's quite expensive, but I mean, make we try. They use healthy things, make our body day alright. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful and informative, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section. I will answer you. Thank you for watching. Bye.